A new faucet is an affordable upgrade for a kitchen. Installation is straightforward, so your kitchen sink can be back up and running in no time. Here's what you'll need. To begin, clear products and supplies from under the sink so you'll have room to work. Then turn off the water supply valves. Next, open up the faucet handles to relieve any pressure in the lines. On a single handle faucet, the water lines are part of the assembly. Disconnect the water lines from the supply valves, making sure all the water is out of the lines. Now you're ready to remove the mounting hardware. A single handle faucet will have a mounting bracket and a flange nut on a single shank. Loosen and remove the nut and brackets. When the mounting hardware is removed, lift the faucet out. Some pressure may be needed to break the caulk seal. Once the faucet is removed, clean the area around the sink with an approved cleaner. To install the faucet, place the gasket on the underside of the assembly. Slide it over the supply lines and onto the shank. Position the faucet on the mounting surface of the sink. Under the sink, slip the mounting bracket in place and install the nut until it's half an inch below the bracket. Connect the hot and cold water lines to the corresponding supply valves and tighten. Then, turn the water back on. Test the faucet and sprayer and check for any leaks. If there are any leaks, try tightening the connections, but be careful not to over-tighten. The new faucet should be flushed to remove any debris that may have accumulated. Unscrew the aerator from the end of the faucet. Turn the handle on full blast and let the water run for about a minute. Then replace the aerator and pour yourself a tall glass of water. Enjoy your newly installed faucet. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.